Hello students, good morning. This is Chalama Reddy, Mathematics. Now today I am going to discuss that shift-wise numerical value type questions. These are important questions in 2026 September given. In numerical type of questions, correct answer means 4 marks, wrong answer means there is no negative. So here no negative marks. That's why these questions will increase the score easily. See the first question. If x bar and y bar be two non-zero vectors such that mod x bar plus y bar is equal to mod x bar and 2x bar plus lambda y bar is perpendicular to y bar, then the value of lambda is. So here mod x bar plus y bar is equal to mod x bar. Apply squaring on both sides, we get mod x square plus mod y square plus 2 into x bar dot y bar, that is equal to mod x bar square. These two cancel. Now finally we got mod y bar whole square plus 2x bar dot y bar is equal to 0. And another condition given, 2x bar plus lambda y bar perpendicular to y bar given. That means dot product 0. Now multiply both 2x bar dot y bar plus lambda into y bar dot y bar mod y bar square is equal to 0. Now these two compare. What is lambda value? See here. Lambda is equal to 1. By comparing both, we are getting lambda value. So official answer by NTA is also 1 given. So this is a very easy question. Next I am going to second question. Total 5 questions they will give. Now this is second question. See here condition what they are given. F of x plus y, that is equal to f of x into f of y. When this condition means if the function f of x is equal to a power x means the condition will be exist. And they are given f of 1 is equal to 3. F of 1 is equal to 3. F of 1 means that is a power 1, that is equal to 3. So finally we got a value is 3. So therefore f of x is equal to, that is 3 power x. But we need to find sigma I is equal to 1 to n f of I. That value already given 363. So we need to find n value. F of I means 3 power I. Instead of I substitute 1, we get like this 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 cube, and so on. 3 power n, that is equal to 363. Now observe the left hand side. The sum of n terms in GP series. What is the formula? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. R means 3. 3 power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1. That is equal to 363. Now cancel it. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 1s are. Now finally 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 2. 2 into 121, that is 242. 3 power n is equal to 243. 243 means that is 3 power 5. Now finally n value is 5. So the answer is 5.00. This is official answer by NT. So we got same answer. So this is also a very easy question. Next I am going to third question. This is third question. Total 5 questions are there. The number of words with or without meaning that can be formed from all the letters of the word letter in which vowels never come together. The condition is on vowels. First see that number of vowels. How many are there? There are 2 vowels. Those are E and E. The condition is on vowels. First we should arrange consonants. How many consonants are there here? Totally 4 consonants. So number of arrangements, number of words. 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial. By 2 letters are repeated by 2 factorial. But see that there are 5 gaps. 5 gaps can be filled with 2 vowels, but these 2 vowels are similar. Write in denominator 2 factorial. 4 factorial by 2 factorial means 12 into 5p2 means 5 into 4 by 2 factorial. So how much we get? 5 into 4, 20 by 2, 10. That is equal to 120. 120 is the answer. So actual answer we want to write 120.00. After decimal we want to write 2 units, 2 numbers. Okay. So official NTA answer also 120 only. This is also very easy question. Now we are discussed 3 questions. These 3 are very easy. Now see the fourth question. Consider the data on X taking the value 0, 2, 4, 8 and so on 2 power n with frequency NC0 into NC0, NC1 and so on NCN respectively. If the mean of this data is mean formula X bar, that is equal to, so numerator sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi. This is the formula. Observe the numerator 0 into NC0 plus 2 into NC1 plus 4 into NC2 and so on 2 power n into NCN divided by frequencies NC0 plus NC1 plus and so on NCN. Now this value already given 728 by 2 power n, and go to the numerator, that is in the form of 1 plus x whole power n, but in place of x take 2. So finally that is 1 plus 2 whole power n, but starting term is missing NC0, write minus 1. Denominator is 2 power n. Now 2 power n cancel. 729, that is equal to 3 power n. 3 power n is equal to 729 means that is 3 power 6. So n value is 6. So here the mean of this data 728 by 2 power n given. They are asking n value. We got 6 and official NTA answer also 6. Students, all of you understood now? These 4 questions are very easy.